Hi guys, wala akong magawa at sobrang tamad ko today. Walang magawa at sobrang tamad. Parang, di ba pag wala kang magawa, dapat hindi ka na naghahanap ng gagawin kasi nga, tinatamad ka. So, ano ba ang gulo? Anyway, nagugutom ako. Wala akong maayang kumain. So, ano tayong makakainan? By the way, ito pa rin yung suot ko kahapon. Wala pang ligo. Ba't tayo maliligo? Di uso yun. Overall verdict, sakto lang. Masarap yung burger. Siguro mga 8 out of 10. Pero yung fries, hindi. Binaon ko yung fries, di ko naubos. Ayoko namang iwan dun. Kaya, pina-take away ko na lang. It was alright. Okay lang.
Alright, give me the maintenance part. You're right there. What did you get famous?
Spanish bread by Jeline. Tsaka kape.
Huwag mo hawakan niya, baka masalubsob ka dyan, Eres.
You took it to your therapist.
Yup.
Fast time. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, but what you say?